I see this all the time in my office. People sit down and go, "Doc, I think I'm falling apart." And I have to gently break it to them. You're not falling apart. You're just built with yesterday's microwave leftovers. Here's the part nobody realizes. The body you have today was built from the food you ate about 10 years ago. Your bones, your hormones, your joints, your energy, all built by past choices. So when you wake up with a random Tuesday knee, like your body installed some weird update overnight, it's not bad luck. It's just old construction finally showing the cracks. But the good news, the moment you start feeding your body real building materials, it rebuilds faster than you think. Here are 7 foods that build you from the inside out. Stronger, smarter, and harder to break. No powder or supplement can beat what's already inside your food. Number 1, wild salmon, the joint oil and brain fuel. Wild salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Think of it as WD-40 for your body. It keeps everything moving cleanly. If your joints sound like bubble wrap when you stand up, if your brain feels like it forgot the assignment, omega-3s are the fix. These fats also lower inflammation, which means less joint pain, faster recovery, and better focus. They also lubricate joints, sharpen brain function, support your heart, and stabilize your mood. Tip: choose wild caught over farmed. It's cleaner and higher in omega-3s. Farmed salmon is the knockoff version that your body doesn't recognize. Number 2, eggs, nature's protein blueprint. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't make. It's the complete toolbox. They're also loaded with choline, a nutrient that your brain uses to form new memories and keep nerve signals strong. They're like the Lego blocks for your muscles, skin, and hormones. Eggs are the full Lego kit for your body. Your muscles? Lego. Skin? Lego. Hormones? Lego. Brain chemicals? Also Lego. If you've been walking into rooms thinking, "Oh, wait, why am I here?" Eat the egg. Number 3, leafy greens, your body's armor. They're packed with magnesium, calcium, and vitamin K. The trio that strengthens and makes bones solid and supports muscle contractions. If your muscles cramp, if your energy dives, if your bones feel older than your birth certificate, you probably need more greens. And no, that little parsley sprig on your plate is not a serving of vegetables. Magnesium is your body's spark plug. Without it, muscles cramp and fatigue fast. Every handful of greens helps keep the engine firing smoothly. Number 4, avocados, the hormone stabilizers. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the kind that fuel your heart and balance hormones naturally. They stabilize your blood sugar, stress hormones, energy, mood, appetite, and they help your body absorb vitamin A, D, E, and K, the fat-soluble vitamins that keep you alive and functional. Think of them as the mechanic keeping all your systems running on the same rhythm. Number 5, nuts, the mini power plants. Almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are small but mighty. They deliver protein, healthy fat, zinc, and selenium, nutrients that repair cells and support your immune system. Your body uses them like backup generators, kicking in when you're stressed, tired, or under pressure. They're brain food, heart food, thyroid food, and skin food all in one bite. They also power up your immune system and support your stress response, especially Brazil nuts. Just don't eat the whole bag unless you want to vibrate like a phone in your back pocket. 2 or 3 is the sweet spot. Number 6, berries, the rust proofers. Berries are nature's rust proof coating. They protect you from oxidative stress, the same process that rusts metal and browns apples. They work as your internal anti-rust coating, protecting your brain, your skin, your heart, and your cells. Every day, your body fights stress, pollution, poor diet, and inflammation. Berries help clean up the mess. A cup of berries helps your cells stay youthful and strong, especially in your brain and skin. And before you ask, no, berry-flavored candy doesn't count. Your liver already told me. Number 7, garlic, your natural defender. It contains allicin, a compound that helps fight bacteria, viruses, inflammation, and even supports healthy blood pressure. Garlic is like your immune system's personal bodyguard. It boosts the number of immune cells patrolling your body, especially when you're fighting off infection. Yes, you might smell like an Italian restaurant, but you'll also have the immune system of a warrior. Every time you eat, you're either sending builders to work or demolition crews to tear things down. Feed your body what it's made of. Clean proteins, real fat, natural antioxidants, and it will never stop rebuilding you stronger. When you choose foods with real nutrients, your body starts rebuilding instantly. When you don't, well, say hello to Tuesday knees cousin, Wednesday's back, Friday brain fog, and weekend fatigue. I've watched patients walk into my office exhausted, inflamed, anxious, overwhelmed, and the moment we rebuild their body from the inside with real food, real nutrients, their energy, their joints, their brain, their mood all start turning back on. Your body is not fragile. It's repairable. It's rebuildable. It just needs the materials. So now tell me, which of these foods do you eat every day? Drop it in the comments. Your answer helps this reach more people who need it. And if you're a healthcare rebel who wants the rest of the story on rebuilding your health, hit that subscribe button. And now you know the rest of the story. But it's what you do with this information that counts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video gave you something valuable to take away. Your next step is just one click away. Check out our next video right here. And if you want to join this community and see more content like this, hit subscribe and give it a like. I truly appreciate the support.